If you want to learn English naturally, listen very carefully. Today, we are going to show you a powerful method that can completely change the way you speak. You don't need a teacher. You don't need grades. You don't need perfect grammar. What you need is a simple habit called mirror English practice.
Mirror English means this. You listen and you repeat, just like a mirror. When you hear English, your mouth learns the sounds, your ears learn the rhythm, and your brain learns the patterns. This is how children learn a language. They don't study rules. They copy sounds again and again.
When you repeat English over and over, your tongue becomes more flexible, your pronunciation becomes clearer, and your confidence starts to grow. At the beginning, it may feel strange. Your voice may sound weak. You may make mistakes, and that is completely okay. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Don't stop the audio. Don't translate in your head. Just listen and repeat. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is working in the background. 10 minutes every day is enough, not 1 hour once a week. Every day, a little.
With mirror practice, English slowly becomes natural. You stop thinking and you start speaking. Your mouth speaks before fear arrives. So today, make a promise to yourself. I will listen, I will repeat, I will trust the process. English is not difficult. You just need the right method.
And mirror English practice is that method. Take a deep breath, put your phone in front of you. Now we will show you how to practice the right way. The method is simple, but simple does not mean weak. Simple means powerful. If you follow these steps, your English will change in a real and natural way.
Not overnight, not in 1 week, but truly and permanently. Stay with us and trust the process. This is where most people make mistakes. They choose very fast English. They choose very difficult words. They choose native-level videos.
Then they feel frustrated. They feel confused. They feel weak. It's not your fault. The problem is the strategy. Easy English is not childish. Easy English is smart. Choose audio that you understand at least a little. Not zero understanding, not full understanding. Partial understanding is perfect.
Choose clear pronunciation. Choose calm speech. Choose natural, everyday English. A podcast, a short video, a daily conversation. 1 to 3 minutes is enough. You don't need long videos. Short audio works better because your brain learns better when it is not tired.
Remember this: easy, clear, short. That is step 1. Step 2, listen first. This step is very important. Many learners want to speak immediately. They want to repeat immediately. But first, you must listen.
Listening prepares your brain. Listening prepares your mouth. Listening prepares your ears. Press play and just listen. Don't read subtitles. Don't stop. Don't repeat. Just listen. Feel the sound. How do the words connect? Feel the speed. Is it slow? Is it normal? Feel the emotion.
Language is not only words. Language is emotion. When you listen carefully, your brain starts copying the patterns naturally. You don't need to force it. Just listen one time completely. That is the foundation.
Step 3. Play it again. This time, you speak. Play the same audio and repeat with the speaker. Not before, not after. Together. Same speed, same tone, same rhythm. Don't pause after every word. English is not spoken word by word. English flows. Let it flow.
If you miss a word, continue. This is very important. Don't go back. Don't feel bad. Missing words is normal. Even native speakers miss words sometimes. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is movement. Keep your voice moving. That creates fluency.
Repeat the audio as much as possible, even if it feels difficult. That difficulty is good. It means your brain is growing. Now, before we continue with the next part, we have a small request for you.
If you enjoy our content and you want to improve your English every day, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Daily English JC. Your support helps us create more powerful lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Now, let's continue. Step 4. Use your mouth fully. This step changes everything. Many learners speak very softly. They speak inside their mouth. That does not work.
English is a mouth language. You must open your mouth, move your lips, and use your tongue. Feel the words physically. Speaking is muscle training, like going to the gym. If you don't move the muscles, they stay weak.
So speak clearly, even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Imperfect pronunciation is better than silence. Use your real voice. Hear yourself. Your ears will slowly correct you over time. Be patient. This is how confidence grows.
Step 5. Repeat one audio many times. This step is about focus. Many learners listen to many different audios, one today, another tomorrow, but they never repeat deeply.
Choose one audio today. Repeat it 3 times, 5 times, even 10 times if you want. Each time you will feel improvement. The words become easier. The speed feels slower. That is progress. Depth is better than quantity.
One audio deeply is better than 10 audios quickly. Tomorrow, choose a new audio. New day, new voice, new energy. Slowly, day after day, your English will change.
You may not notice it every day, but after a few weeks, you will feel something different. You understand more. You speak faster. You feel lighter.
One day, something special will happen. You will speak without fear. The words will come out without translation. You will not think. You will speak. That moment is powerful. That moment changes everything. That is the power of mirror English practice.
Now, let us give you some extra advice. Practice every day, even 5 minutes. Consistency is more important than time. Choose the same time every day, morning or night. Make it a habit.
Sit in the same place. Use headphones if possible. Reduce noise. Focus only on the sound. If you feel bored, change the audio, but keep the method. If you feel tired, take a short break and come back.
English should not feel like pressure. It should feel like practice. Some days will be easy. Some days will be difficult. That is normal. Don't stop on difficult days. Difficult days build skill. Easy days build confidence. You need both.
Remember, you are not bad at English. You just need the right method. Mirror English practice is that method. No teacher, no classroom, no fear. Just you, your voice, and English.
Keep going. Your English voice is already inside you.
You just have to wake it up.